Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen from your video using the InShot app. It's really simple and fun, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video that you have added the green screen effect. Simply select it. Now let's get rid of that green screen. Tap onto the video in the timeline that you have added green screen and then slide to the right to the toolbars and find the option called cutout. Now tap on it. Here we can find the option of chroma effect. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find that you have added green screen effect. Now to delete it, simply tap on to the arrow button which is right here. Now here you can find that the green screen effect has been removed. Once you are happy with it, simply tap on to the check mark. And that's it. Your video is now ready to share with your friends. Now that you have removed the green screen effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.